Experience the astonishing beauty of bioluminescent waves at the Maldives beaches. These mesmerizing blue waves are caused by microscopic organisms called phytoplankton that emit light when disturbed, creating a glowing spectacle along the shoreline. Witness this natural marvel as the waves light up the night, turning the ocean into a sea of stars. Check out our latest videos showcasing incredible events around the world, from historical anecdotes to scientific discoveries. Subscribe to our channel for more fascinating content and stay updated on all things amazing.